Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making fully loaded chicken. Now I'm starting out here with a large bowl. We're going to make the filling for the chicken. We're going to stuff some chicken breast. I'm going to put an 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese in here. I'll have to sit out on the stove for about 3 hours to get good and soft so it's easy to work with. If you don't have the time to let it sit out, you can take it out of the foil and put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds to a minute, and that'll soften it up for you. Okay. Now to that I'm going to add about 2 cloves of garlic, and I'm using the pre-diced stuff. I'm also going to add in some salt and pepper, about a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. And I have a 12-ounce bag of broccoli cuts. I thawed in the microwave. It was frozen for about 3 minutes. They're just thawed. They're not hot. We're going to get them in. And I'm going to add in about half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to get in here and stir this, blend it all together well, and I'm going to set it aside for right now. Alright, now I have 4 chicken breasts here. I already cut 3 of them. I'll cut the 4th one on camera so you can see how I do this. You want to start at the thick end of your chicken breast and cut down, and then go in with your knife and create a pocket. But you don't want to cut all the way through, so be careful not to do that. Right now I have my chicken breast all cut. We're going to go ahead and stuff them with that broccoli cheese stuffing. And you just want to take a healthy spoonful and just cram it down in there. Pushing it down into the chicken breast. Fill that all up. And you might have to get in there with your hands. That's alright. And I'm going to take a toothpick. I'm going to close this up and secure it, because we're going to fry these in the frying pan to get a nice brown on them. We're not going to cook them through, we're just going to fry them. So I'm going to go ahead and get these all stuffed. Alright, now that I have my chicken breast all stuffed, I'm going to spray them down with a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to season them. If you don't have a sprayer like this, just drizzle a little olive oil on there. And I'm going to season these. Let's get the towel, wipe my hand off. These are my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic mix. If you don't have that, salt, pepper, little onion powder, little garlic powder, that'll work just fine. And the reason I put the olive oil on there is going to keep the spice on there, to make it stick. And I'm also going to season these with a little bit of paprika. Now I have a skillet over here heating up with some olive oil in it. We're going to get this chicken in there and we're going to fry it. And while it's in the pan, I'll season the other side here. So I'm going to go ahead and get that in the skillet. And we're just browning it. We're not cooking it right now. We're just going to get a nice brown on it. Alright, now that my chicken's all nice and browned up, I'm going to put that in a 375 degree oven for 25 to 35 minutes so it reaches an internal temperature of 165. Alright, my chicken's done. I let it go for 30 minutes. It's up to temperature. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. I also made some russet home fries and peas to go with this. Let me get in here and give this a try. See guys, I overstuffed these. That's why they're fully loaded. Nice brown on the outside. And I remembered to pull out the toothpick because you don't want to choke on that. My chicken's cooked through. Let me get a piece here. A little bit of that filling in there. Chicken's well seasoned, it's creamy, broccoli and cheese always did work well together. That's really delicious, guys. Alright, there you have it. Fully loaded chicken. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat what you love.